everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna, and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So, how's everybody doing today? Well, I can't believe it's like already been a week. It's been a week. Tomorrow will be a week, actually. 6 days. Tomorrow will be a week. I can't believe it. The time has already flown. Oh my goodness. This is so crazy. Yeah, a week. That's how fast it goes. Yeah, what do I want to say is, yeah, traveling is, you definitely need more time than a week, okay? I mean, if you really want to experience the land, I would say at least 2 weeks. You need a week just to settle in, I think. And okay, I know this is like literally our second home. I still see how fast a week goes, you know? However, I have definitely adjusted to this beautiful weather. It has definitely calmed down temperature wise. Yeah, back into our regular beach mode, regular routine. I'm walking around in my bathing suit as I normally do. I always have a bathing suit on, guys, just in case I decide to pop into the pool, which I don't know, it takes a lot for me to get into the pool. I mean, it's really got to be hot, but yeah, enjoying the weather. So now about to head out, and today was like just uploading a video day. It's Sunday. Um, yeah, I've been really enjoying just sleeping in. I mean, this whole week I've really caught up on a lot of sleep, so I'm really happy about that. Um, and just not just doing things for the kids, but also just, also taking time out for myself. So, guys, when you travel, make sure you take time out for yourself. I know I do realize, having a family, your kids do require a lot of attention, but yeah, as mentioned before, just make sure you take some time out for yourself, even though you're on vacation. And taking time out for yourself might, be sleeping a little bit later. You know, um, vacation is vacation. You don't have to be somewhere prompt. You have enough of that during your daily life. You have appointments. If you're a mom like me, you got to make sure your kids get off to their programs and school and so on and so forth. So make sure you also do that, take time out for yourself. And I do that on this vacation. Yes, I'm sleeping in. I'm, yeah, um, I'm sleeping in. Maybe I do a little bit of shopping. I haven't done any real shopping yet. I have bought a hat, so I'm gonna show that. I haven't showed it yet. Um, I bought a hat and a new purse. I bought a new purse because the purse that I have is, I don't know. I got to reduce on my purses. My purses are always so big, and I love having big purses, but it's causing me health problems. I mean, I'm really experiencing, you know, um, hand joint problems, experiencing pain in my hands and arms. You know, I'm sure it's due to age, but I got to reduce my purse weight because I'm sure I'm carrying around a few kilos. So I purchased a smaller purse, so I really gotta not like take everything, because I really do. I have the habit of taking everything, and even on one vacation, I'm still taking everything around with me. So I must stop that. I must stop it. I know. Although I love big purses, because literally you can put everything in there, and it just looks so nice. I mean, small purses are cute, but I always gotta take care. So, however, I'm going to change that. I'm going to change that. I'm going to reduce my purse weight and purse size. I'm definitely going to try that. Yeah, and what else, guys? Yeah, so today is Sunday. Relaxing. I'm going to go have a meal. I'm going to go out, and you guys are welcome to join me and see what I eat. Although I do, however, I do enjoy cooking meals at home, because I notice when I go out to eat over here, it's sometimes difficult to find good vegan meals, or people who are preparing good vegan meals. And I don't know, I'm happy about eating the burgers and stuff, but you know, the vegan burgers, but like everybody's doing vegan burgers now. So I want to like switch it up, you know, not just typical stuff like beans and rice and salads. I want to have other things, you know. The vegan movement hasn't really started here, at least on the island yet. I mean, some people are with it. You know, I've had vegan payas, but it's not the same. So, I don't know. I still enjoy cooking at home. Of course, when you go to the nicer restaurants, then they do tend to take care of you. So, anywho, guys. Okay, so that's it. That's my report for Sunday. I'm going to go out to eat, so come and join me. See what I'm eating, and I'm probably going to have my favorite drink, which is sex on the beach. I don't like to say that word, but yeah, I love that drink. Although the other day I had one of those drinks, and the person who prepared it, oh, it was so nasty. I notice a lot of people, when they prepare that drink, they just pour the alcohol in there, and I'm like, man, what are they thinking? I mean, I am not here to get plastered. I like to have a nice cocktail, but I'm not trying to wake up with a headache the next morning. So, anywho. All right, guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumb up. Thumbs up. And yeah, subscribe. I'm vlogging every day. I try to. Even if it's a short vlog, I definitely try to post. So please follow me. Please subscribe. And yeah, for those who are subscribed, thank you for following me, and thank you for taking precious time out of your day to listen to me. I really appreciate it, and I hope I inspire you to get out there and travel, and to, yeah, live your best life. And maybe you too can vlog. You too can, you know, come on YouTube and share your stories and share what's going on in your life. You don't have to share everything, but you know, maybe you'll be helping somebody out with your stories and your advice. Okay, guys, talk to you later. See you soon. Bye.